What's up? Back at it again, bro, with another video. So we got everything. We gotta get our battery. This video gonna be all over the place, man. Life of Jones, man. We was taking the Camaro to the Muffler shop, but I gotta tow a car right fast. I'm gonna get that car towed, get them where they need to be, and then we gonna take the Camaro to the Muffler shop. Yes, sir. So y'all stay tuned, man. We ain't gonna bore y'all with the talking. We're gonna get this action rolling. Oh, first time to the channel, man. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. We would like to welcome you in here, man. Right now, currently, we at 930 something subscribers on the road to 1K, y'all. So, hold on. That ain't gonna get old. Yeah, man, we got the 20 foot, got the car hauler hooked up. Yes, sir. If you're not already following the Instagram, right there, go ahead and do that for me. If you need any lifts, any kind of accessories for cars, trucks, anything like that, just call We Custom. Call them people. If you need some tent, oh yeah, y'all go follow Mud Life on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you need some tent, y'all need to be calling my boy. Like, you should have called him yesterday, but you can still call him today. Because if you ain't got no tent, something wrong. But, you know, you might have some tent that just ain't done right. Or you might just want to get some darker tent. Anything you want your tent needs, you need to be calling BB Window Tent, man. Holler at my boy Bodrick. Tell him B Jones sent you. He gonna look out for you. Yes, sir. We about to go ahead and get to this location where this car at. Get this car in the trailer. Y'all excuse me. I'm going to get a haircut in the morning. First thing tomorrow. We about to go ahead and go grab this car. Get it on the trailer. Get it towed where it need to be. Get him out the way. And then we're going to be in the Camaro, man. I'm going to get a little vlog. I'm going to get some B-roll, probably putting the car on the trailer and stuff. That ain't too interesting. I know y'all don't really want to see that, but a little bit of that footage for y'all, because a couple people asked about it, putting that on the vlogs. And then we're gonna get the Camaro. I know y'all ready to see the Camaro, man. It's been a while since y'all seen this ZL1. Yeah. But I got y'all, man. Stay tuned. Contacts is tripping. Something's in my eye, but I had to take them out. But we just got off the phone with the Muffler shop, man. They're gonna be able to get us in there at 3. Right now it's 11:20, so we got a little time to kill. We'll take the trailer back to the house, chill for a little while, get ready to go to the Muffler shop whenever he opens. It's in Denham Springs. I'm coming from Plaquemine, so it's about 45-50-minute drive. So probably leave about 2:20, something like that. Probably gonna be pretty boring, so I'm probably ain't gonna pick y'all back up until I get to the ZL1, so we can take it to the Muffler shop. You know, I'm gonna get that ride along. I got the GoPro, have y'all POV footage. But if anything interesting come about while I'm waiting on this time to go to the Muffler shop, I will let y'all know something. I will tune y'all back in. Hey man, if you ain't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and turn that red button gray. Yes sir, we on the road to 1K. We almost there, man. Y'all see that dirt all on my shirt, man? I was all on the ground trying to strap that car. D Jones Services, man. Y'all know how we do. Look at that Camaro. She trying to stun on me because I'm in the truck. She let me look I wasn't in that Z. Would have revved it up for a little bit. Yeah, man, but I'm gonna pick y'all back up as soon as some action take place. Yes, sir. Well, man, we back. We got the car. For those of you that's new and haven't seen it yet, 2019 ZL1, 10-speed automatic, all stock, except for muffler delete. Well, I think it got different mufflers on it now, but we actually on the way to the muffler shop, so y'all be able to see everything up on there, all that good stuff. Yes, sir. Y'all excited about this cold start or what? Let's get this thing started up, man, so we can get on to the muffler shop. Think of the ZL1 as a daily, man.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
I think the ZL1 is a daily driving car, or it's only a sometimes type of car. Me personally, if I had one of these, I'd drive it very often. This is my dad's car, by the way. For those of you that's new to the channel, this is my dad's car, the ZL1. And the blue Camaro that's also on the channel. We got a dyno video of it coming up. We got another video on the channel previously that we recorded. That blue Camaro, that's my little brother car. He built it himself. Can't get any detail about it because he grudge raced with it. But it was fully built by him. Only thing he had to do is get somebody to tune it for him, because he's not doing tuning just yet. I think he's trying to work on starting to do that too. Misfits Garage. Y'all hit him up for all y'all needs. ATVs, Alright, y'all, man, we done made it here. Get this gimbal to focus. Y'all come check them out, man. Discount Muffler. Denham Springs. Y'all like the ZL1? That's the tent from the outside, man. So you can see a little bit sometimes, depending on how the sun hitting. But they got these tips. Let me go ahead and throw them cats on there. Remember that. This is racing. Y'all come check them out.
Like fountains, nigga might sink, but nigga not doing no drowning. I had to climb a few mountains, it is astounding. Look at this shit on some mountains, check this around. All of my haters abounding, but nothing but angels surround me. I'm a lost soul, heart cold, better leave you found me. Lost soul, dark soul, heart cold, to this world impartial. I be dealing with matters like Marshall, but I wouldn't trade it like embargoes. If anybody know, the Lord knows. My eyes open, but my heart closed. It was either we could wash clothes, so I hit my knees and clear my cargo. But the same soap that I'm a baby with, been a go-getter like A6. On the front cover, fuck a basic. Niggas imitations, hate fake shit. All these simulations like the Matrix. Seen niggas flip, no skate tricks. I grind, Ali on the great this. Denzel could debate this. Washington was sitting on the scale. Now I got eyeball a pregnant world. It's the same nigga who ain't never failed. Skipped every class and still excel. Where I dwell, sad as hell. Better get the hell before you get your hell. They ain't satisfied till they see you die and your mama cry and your plans fail. Water may fall like fountains, nigga might sink, but nigga not doing no drowning. I had to climb a few mountains, it is astounding. Look at this shit on some mountain, check this around. All of my haters abounding, but nothing but angels surround me. I'm a lost soul, heart cold, better leave you found me. Water may fall like fountains, nigga might sink, but nigga not doing no drowning. I had to climb a few mountains, it is astounding. Look at this shit on some mountain, check this around. All of my haters abounding, but nothing but angels surround me. I'm a lost soul, heart cold, better leave you found me.
Alright, y'all, that's gonna conclude this video, man. Y'all got to see some content with the ZL1. We got some more coming this weekend, man. Golly, that's sun. We got some more content coming this weekend with the car. We're going, I ain't even gonna tell you. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. But the car was straight pipe. Well, not straight pipe, it just had a cat delete on it. And it got Flowmaster mufflers. I wanna say the name of the mufflers is. We took the, put high flow cats back on the car. Sounded like more crispier. It was raspy, and it had a bad drone. Pops was trying to get rid of that. But y'all see it, man. Give y'all one last start, and we're gonna go ahead and end this thing, man. Make sure you go ahead, like this video, comment, subscribe, and come back for the next one, man. Stay tuned.